They went outside and they took yardsticks and we had them fast walk, we had them run, and they measured the distance that they went, and we used stopwatches. We talked about how if you're going a faster speed, you would go a farther distance. So then, as an application of speed, we had them use Hot Wheels tracks. They had to raise the tracks so that they could get the speed going, and then they got to drop the car down from the top. Somebody sat at the end and timed, and then that's how they got to find the speed of a car.
So they're using Legos to model 3D printers. So they are essentially being the 3D printer, putting the pieces down one by one, just like the 3D printer puts on little pieces of plastic one by one. And they have a rule for this Lego activity that just like the 3D printer, they can only do one layer at a time. So they've got to build their Legos exactly like the 3D printer does it.
So I do think it's really important for young kids to be introduced to 3D printing for a number of reasons. It's a great way to design. It's also a way that many products that we might buy in the future are going to be manufactured. And it's a wonderful way for anyone who has an idea to get started with that idea. If you're inventing a new product, making a new artwork, working on a design challenge, printing allows you to make something really fast, and you can kind of do it by yourself as long as you know how to do a little bit of 3D modeling, a little bit about running the printer.
So they made pullback cars where they kind of simulated making a spring within the car with a piece of plastic, so when they pulled the truck back it would wind up, and then when they let it go it would drive. Now they're using these handheld 3D printers, so it's like a pen and the filament just goes right through it and it heats it up, and they can like draw and make it whatever they want out of the plastic. So kids should really be learning about this stuff because that's what everything's designed in. So especially now everything's being designed on computers. Not a lot of stuff is being designed by hand, and a lot of stuff is being manufactured with 3D printers now rather than being molded or actually, carved out. So it's really great for them to learn this stuff early on because it's just going to put them like that much ahead when they actually go into places where they need to know what a 3D printer is, or they need to know how to design something on the computer. So it's great for them to learn it now, and it's great for them to learn it while it's fun.